How to design a privacy fence or screen for your yard. Obvious ways to create outdoor privacy screens include walls, fences, or hedges. But these structures aren't always necessary or smart solutions. You may not need a stacked stone retaining wall for the terrace of your condo. And an 8-foot-high fortress of clipped boxwood might look odd surrounding a small spa. Play it smart and ponder what will look and feel best for your space. You don't need to go overboard even though you crave privacy. Open your eyes to your surroundings and you'll find a multitude of ideas. Visit a local botanical garden or garden show and take pictures of privacy settings that look appealing. Go on a local spring garden or home tour to discover privacy solutions that other residents in your area have created. Look through books, magazines, and online. Cruise your own or other neighborhoods for ideas. Analyze the size of the area you'd like to have screened. Most important is the height because you don't want something too tall to dwarf your space or too short to give prying eyes a direct line of sight. If you're considering floribunda roses, for example, remember that these plants will turn to canes and won't offer the privacy you need in the off-season. You might consider tall ornamental grasses as an alternative for privacy. Materials and plants should be appropriate for the particular space and surrounding area. Just like roses, a delicate annual vine won't be an ideal covering for a chain-link fence. Consider bamboo as a noise barrier, instead. Plant something that grows throughout the year and is prolific if you want fast and ample coverage for privacy. When cost is a consideration, go for materials that are durable and effective. If your heart is set on a stone fence, then consider less expensive cinder or concrete block over brick and much pricier stacked stone. You can always turn a cement wall into a work of art by using many creative tricks. Luckily, you can be as artistically free with your privacy fencing in your rear yard. Why not paint a colorful mural like this one spotted in Mexico, but have it facing into your backyard? If your privacy screening or fencing can be spotted by neighbors, gently consider fitting in with the neighborhood norms while giving your yard its own authentic design. You may have to work within your homeowners association or other neighborhood rules when designing your oasis. Don't bite off more than you can chew when it comes to DIY privacy projects. Think about whether your level of DIY talents fit the type of privacy project you're thinking about creating. If going DIY, keep the project easy and straightforward. You're keeping in style with your neighborhood, but a privacy screen should also blend in with the architecture and era of your home and your surrounding landscape. For example, a concrete block wall works well with a mid-century modern home. A wood fence or screen works perfectly with any number of styles, from farmhouse to colonial style to contemporary homes. If privacy is important to you, but your DIY skills are not up to the task, it may be a good investment to hire a contractor or landscape architect to carry out your vision. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.